Hello friends, let's solve question number 5 here. In right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. So that's why I have taken a right angle triangle here with right angle at Q. And PQ equals to 6 centimeters, comma, angle RPQ equals to 60 degrees. It means they have given that angle P value they have taken as 60. So here angle they have taken here for reference is P. That's why here I am taking P with angle 60 as they have given in the question. So PQ is also 6 they have given, right? So PQ is 6 centimeters. This is P, this is Q, and the third vertex will become R. So this is triangle PQR with angle P is 60 degrees and PQ equals to 6 centimeters. So what did they ask us to find? Determine the lengths of QR and PR. So we have to find the length of the side QR and PR. So how to find this? Here the angle taken as reference is P. So for the angle P, this PQ becomes adjacent side. This PQ becomes adjacent side and this QR becomes opposite side for angle P. So this PR becomes hypotenuse. Clear? This we got it from the introduction video only. I have told you this. Correct? So how to find out the other two sides? See, the angle is 60 degrees. You have to find the opposite side and hypotenuse. So what will I do here is, I will just take the tan application for this angle. So tan 60 equals to, what is the formula for tan? So it is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Correct? So what is opposite side? Opposite side it is QR. We don't know that value. And what is adjacent side? It is PQ. So what is tan 60 value? It is root 3. Okay. So root 3 equals to, we don't know QR, that we have to find out QR by, what is PQ? It is 6. So from this QR equals to 6 into root 3. 6 root 3 centimeters. Since the side is in terms of centimeters they have given. So like this we got QR value. QR value is what? It is 6 root 3 centimeters. How can we find the RP value? See here, you got the opposite side value. QR is opposite side, right? You got this as 6 root 3 centimeters. So how to find this hypotenuse now? You can use either cos 60, because what is cos formula? It is adjacent side by hypotenuse, or you can use sin 60 also. What is the formula? It is opposite side of angle P by hypotenuse. Anything you can use. So here what will I do? I will use here cos 60. Cos 60 equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? It is PQ by what is hypotenuse? It is PR. We don't know PR. We have to find this only. What is cos 60 value? It is 1 by 2. Correct? What is PQ length? They have given it as 6, right? So 1 by 2 equals to 6 by PR. So let's do cross multiplication. From this we'll get PR equals to 6 into 2. That is equals to 6 2 it is 12 centimeters. What is this? PR, you got it as 12 centimeters. So this is the easiest way of solving this question. Or else, as per your textbook, there is one more method to solve. What is that is, once by using the tan application, you'll get the QR value. Next step what you can do is, instead of doing this, you can do Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem also you can solve this. I will tell you that also. By Pythagoras theorem, what can we write here? See here from the figure, what can you write? PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. Correct? PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. So what is PQ? They have given it as 6, right? So 6 square. What is QR? You got it as 6 root 3. So it is 6 root 3 whole square. So what can you write? 6 square it is 36 plus 6 square it is 36 into root 3 whole square, it becomes 3. So here what will I do? 36 can be written as 36 into 1 plus 36 into 3. When you see here, from these two, can I take 36 common? Yes. So when you take 36 common, you'll get inside the brackets as 1 plus 3. Okay. That is equals to 36 into 4. How much will you get? 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 2 14. What is this? It is PR square equals to 144. Therefore, PR equals to root of 144, that is equals to 12. Therefore, PR equals to 12 centimeters. This is the another way of finding the hypotenuse. So it's up to you. Whichever method you find easier, you please do that. Okay. So this is the easiest way I felt. So that's why I have told you this first. And this is as per your textbook format. Okay. First, using the tan, I got opposite side. Once you got opposite side and adjacent side, here I have used cos functionality. So based on that, you will get hypotenuse, which is PR as 12 centimeters. So you can use either cos functionality or sin functionality. It's up to you. You'll get the hypotenuse in this way, or else you can use the Pythagoras theorem. So you can use this or this. Anything is same. Okay. It's up to you. Whichever you feel easier, you can follow that. So this is the solution. I hope the explanation is very clear. So in case you like the video, do like, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.